Good evening everybody, I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 14th and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla closed up $1.49, that's 0.2%. We closed at $744.49. Post-market, we are up 11 cents. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. Yesterday, we had a low at 709. So today, we are maintaining ourselves above this support right here. So we are in a local downward channel, because we are in a upward channel right here, and as part of that upward channel we tend to go from support resistance to support and resistance. So we are into a, we are into this downward channel so far. So today we are pretty much being at the middle of the channel, so we could consider yesterday as being the bottom of the channel. And now we are still above 741. So we were above 741 yesterday. We are above 741 today. We have a longer wick at the top than at the bottom. So a little bit of a selling pressure towards the end of the day. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Where's the 930? So 930 was right here. So we closed yesterday above 741. So we had a big run up yesterday on the hourly chart. Today we opened above 741, went higher but was stopped. Look at this here. Let me just adjust this as a resistance and let me tell you the exact number of 750. So 750, so we were stopped at 750. There are no coincidences. Why stop at 750 even? Because 750 is a resistance. Why is it a resistance? Because people consider it a resistance. So some people say, when it goes up to 750, I'm gonna sell. And then this is what happens. So 750 was a resistance on the first hour. Second hour also. Third hour, the third wick touched 750. Then went down for 5 straight hours. And then we have a little bit of a pullback here. Pullback that corresponds to the 50-day simple moving average. So the moving averages sometimes act as support and resistance, and in this case it seems like we are using this moving average as a resistance. Is there anything else to say for the indicators? Stochastic at 63, so decent strength. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at the stochastic. Stochastic is still pretty strong at 82. 82. MACD is close to crossing over bearish but has not crossed, and DMI is getting a little bit better. So we seem to be liking to be above 741. So we might stay there for a while, but basically we are within a downward channel. What I would like the stock to do is just to go down towards 716 or something. It would be really nice to have the stock go down to support here before resuming. And then maybe at that point in time, we are going to get some good earnings, and that will send the stock move a little bit higher. There you have it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. You can become a member of this channel if you want to encourage me to keep doing this, and you'll get a bonus with exclusive access to my weekly chart and monthly chart analysis that I do during the weekend. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.